So you're gonna do one first. Dip a little bit in alcohol and do the first bead. It's really cool. Get the tip of your 3D. I'm gonna turn it just a little bit. Turn it, and then you can turn the client's hand like that. Using the edges like a belly of your brush. You can never go wrong with this. If you don't like it, you can absolutely rotate and put it back in and create it again. Oh, Eric, I know. I love that 4D. You did so amazing. So how many of you are excited for the Glitz Brand Ambassador Contest? We have something is really cool is on the way. And some amazing like 70,000 follower awesome promotion. Okay, so now you're happy with this. I am just getting to make it perfect. And pick the second bead. Sorry. It's like doesn't want to stick on me. I have to like hold it up, which is good because you don't want it stick on you, and it's not deep in alcohol, but you don't want to be like soaking wet your silicone. So only need to place the beads and use the tip of your brush of your silicone tool. I keep calling brush because it have other end, it have the 3D brush, and then use that, draw it down, straight down, and using a tip and draw it looks like at the end, it looks like a leaf. So I want to do a top and the bottoms first, so then that way it gets really a perfect like a line. So then it doesn't like if you do one here, it might look crooked. So you want to make it balanced like a perfect look. I would suggest doing like that. And for all of you, if you want to not sure, you can absolutely, if you're happy with this petal look, you can flash key at 10 seconds, so then it's not gonna, just in case you are moving around, you're not gonna accidentally touch it. I'm not using this silicones and I'm gonna make it some kind of veins look. Press it gentle. Good. So it's moving a lot. Oh, okay. So next, I'm gonna pick this one. And put it on this side, right next to the first top. Oh. I'm gonna flash give it first because I know my nails will get just 10 seconds. If you rotate and you put in here, it's perfect. If I lay in here, it's that like great. If I miss any comments, let me know. Thank you so much everyone for like participating in the contest for baby mix jar. We can't wait to see all of your beautiful work. All right, so go. If you feel like you want to do one side first, you can go ahead and do the next one. Or you can do it's like opposite. They can do it right on this side. But usually I'm doing one side first. Oh, good, Nene. So excited. I'm so glad you got it. Can't wait to see you create some fun design with that, Nene. You like that? It's so fun to have 12 of them. So many color to do, so many fun to do with. I don't know how long it take you to go to this. It take me forever to go using all of them. I still have a lot of them. Like the little jars go a long way. Up. What happened to his? Something get into my flowers, maybe from my tool again. Okay, great. All right, so next one. I feel this one a little bit bigger. Let me see. This is something that's really cool. You see me did might a little bit big. Some just take. Hey Amelia, thank you so much. I know, right? It's just fun. I just did this too yesterday. I redid it. Somehow I get a little glitter in here. Sugar for real. It's like, oh, wait, don't throw me away. I'm gonna be in there. So no, I don't need it. I think it's just like, I don't know why it's getting there. I don't see any glitter in here. All of a sudden, oh, maybe in the palace. So I'm gonna go in and place that just right next to my first one. And just wetten your silicone tool just a little bit. You don't want to be saturated. You don't want to be soaking too wet because you don't want like making your gel to be smushy. How's everyone doing on Friday? Happy Friday, everyone. It was so much fun. And tomorrow is at noon. We're gonna have like nail techs talk. It's gonna be fun content tomorrow. So 12 noon and CST of our time. So if you have some time, join us. It's really quick, cool, and it's a great chance to do Q&As with us. Great talk for beginners, now tech as well. So I can't wait. Are you on lockdown? Are you okay? Hold on.
So, Amelia, we are not on lockdown. In fact, Florida is almost moving to like full reopen, which is interesting, but it is what it is.
Oh, wrong one. Who is on lockdown? What state are you in? Hi, Debbie. Yeah, so me and Mika tomorrow, she will share with us with a lot of cool things. So excited to see this lady talking about with the nail techs and how it did it.
Oh, UK? Well, I hope you guys get out of it soon. It's no fun.
UK got locked down again?
Seems like it.
Oh, not good. Florida never get locked down.
Yeah, I guess people are just too numb to it already. People just kept on moving on.
If you go to the store and like, I mean, out in the public. All right, so you can use this edges of your tool and then it's really cool. So then if you're not happy with anything, you're gonna adjusting it first before you are keying it. If you are happy with, you can absolutely key this one. Now I'm gonna key for 60 seconds.